Hello guys, this is Jason and this is my second studio for recording my videos. Anyway, as I scheduled today, I have to record the second part of the mellat part, which I promised you guys in the video that I shared. This link in the description part, and that's it. Keep watching. I want to show you something special. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go. I have to stay further. And this is the lake that I was talking about, but there's no water there because of the coldness. Look at the ducks. As my second promise, I'll take you here too one day. Ah, man. What you're staring at, buddy? Don't even think about being lost in this park. It's the other side of that lake. They're trying to talking with us. Maybe you ask yourself about this bench. It's divided to two parts because of the coronavirus to keep the minimum distance. Fortunately, there's no more coronavirus around us, and we can even hug each other while we are sitting. Fall is not a good season for visiting this place because it's cold here, and as you see, there's no any water in the channels. And the best season is spring and summer. Look at those birds. And this is where young children play together and have fun. When I was a kid, I used to play with these tools, but now I'm too tall for it and I cannot use them. Good old memories. What you see is a public parking site that you can pay and park your car there without worry, and then go and have fun or anything else. So let's say goodbye to the Mellat Park. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you later, guys.